Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video, T-List Katan Adventures. What we're doing today is, look at this. The little Corolla XRS is getting a full catback exhaust. I did purchase this used on Marketplace, luckily. Super hard to find parts for the XRS Corolla. Got a really good deal on it. Full bolt-on, well, technically full bolt-on. So basically, there's a comparison to the stock XRS exhaust. There is the resonator on both of them. Piping, the magnaflow is mandrel bent and it is bigger piping, as you can see. It is mandrel too, the stock one, but look at the smoothness difference and the bigger piping. And going into a straight through muffler, and it looks like it's gonna have an exhaust tip now from the looks of it. I was trying to source down a TRD exhaust. Good luck with that, man. I looked everywhere for one and could not find one. So purchased this used magnaflow. So we're gonna put it on. So to do this, one thing that kind of, not hard, but there's your stock catalytic converter. You actually have to cut off the muffler part right after the end of it. I bought a tool specifically to cut off exhausts. And I'll show you that. You're not going to use that brace anymore. It's held on by 12mm bolts, one right there, one on the other side. And then I'll show you the tool I used right now to remove the exhaust. This guy right here, it's an exhaust removal tool. You can rent these from AutoZone too, and Harbor Freight. I purchased this at Harbor Freight. It was $25. Worked good. I just wanted a clean cut, but you can rent these tools too, but it was 25 bucks, so I figured might as well buy it out. Tools you're going to be needing to install the new exhaust: 14mm, a 12mm, and a 15mm. That's it. So you got to cut it, and let's put this bad boy on. All right, so here we go. It's fully installed. Wasn't hard. One thing to note, that a used muffler like this, the clamps, when you try to, on the outside looks pretty good. When you try putting on the slip clamps, they might be kind of tight, so I had to take a screwdriver and bend it a little. Fitment is perfect though, geez, and this exhaust is lighter than the factory one for sure. We'll do a cold start in a minute, but just want to show you how it looks. There's the clamps where I cut it. The bolts, everything bolts up perfectly. Again, you're not going to use that little brace that was there. I'm just going to put the nuts back on so I don't lose it in case I ever put back the stock exhaust or I find a TRD exhaust, because I still want a TRD exhaust. So yeah, stay tuned for a cold start. XRS magnaflow catback. Sounds really good. Sounds literally like a TRD exhaust. Pretty quiet at cold start. I'll go for a ride and I'll give you another quick okay everyone, so the Corolla XRS, the magnaflow exhaust, amazing. Buy it, not gonna even lie. It slowly, very little touches it, but doesn't melt the bumper or nothing like that on the XRS. This is a 05. No drone, no nothing. It's a really good exhaust. Again, I was looking for the TRD, couldn't find one for the life of me, and Magnaflow, got a crazy good deal on it. Sounds amazing. Love it. I highly recommend it. So yeah, please like, subscribe for more content. Bye.